Hello, guys. Is your Logseq graph a flat mess of disconnected pages? Let's fix that right now by building a proper hierarchy using namespaces. A namespace is just a way to create parent-child relationships using a forward slash in your page titles. It's like creating folders for your notes. Let's see it in action. Create a new page link by typing double square brackets. Inside, type the parent name, a forward slash, and then the child name. For this example, let's type projects my. First video, press enter to create the page link and then click to go to that new page. Look at the very top of the page. You see the breadcrumb link that says projects my. First video, Logseq automatically created the parent projects page for you and link them together. Now, for the best part. Click on the parent projects link in that breadcrumb. Scroll to the bottom of this new projects page. Under the hierarchy section, you can see my first video is already listed. Let's do one more to see the power of this. Go to any page and create a new link called projects my second video. Now, if we go back to our main projects page and refresh it, you can see both videos are listed neatly. You've just created a dynamic folder for all your project notes. You can even go deeper with pages like University, Computer Science, CS 101, Lecture Notes. This is the single best way to build a clean, organized structure for your entire knowledge base. If this quick guide helped you, hit that like button. And for more short tutorials that get straight to the point, make sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching.